Everyone wants to build something. Learn how to with 80/20's aluminum T-slot profiles. With the gurney demonstration, you have the opportunity to get hands-on with 80/20 products. You'll learn about various selections of profiles, fasteners, panels, and linear motion solutions available to you. The T-slot design allows for room for adjustability for all of your projects, so you can build and reconfigure your application as your needs change. This hands-on opportunity gives you the time to get familiar with 80/20 products and discover uses for different profiles and parts in your own builds. If you have an idea for a custom build, we have a custom solution for you. So let's build it today.